After coaching hundreds of students, I've been able to get people like Ivan results, Zane, Justin, Blake, hundreds of other students in door-to-door sales. And today I'm going to be breaking down some of the blueprint about how I train these guys and what actually gets them results like this so that, hopefully you can learn something from this video, take it away, you go and try it, and it brings you money. Before I jump into the really big thing, I want you to understand at the end of the day, you have to be able to hold yourself accountable for 110% of all the things that happen in your life. For most people, what they do and they neglect is their numbers. Numbers do not lie. Some guys lie about their numbers. And if you're doing this, you need to stop. But I want you to take this example of we have two people going out and knocking. They're both knocking a 10-hour shift. One guy keeps track of, okay, I knocked this many doors, I got told no this many times, and I got this many sales. But keep that compared to the guy that is on this side. He's keeping track of how many people he talked to, what objections he got. Did he get a stall objection, a price, product, whatever that thing might be, a time objection maybe. Here's how many people said come back later, here's how many sales I got, here's how many backyards I got into. If you think about, and the reason I ask you this is because you're going to have two different situations. This one, you're not going to have much context to be able to help the person. You're not really going to know where they're struggling because they just knocked that many doors, they got told no that many times. Okay, maybe it was something on the front end. Maybe they fucked up on their intro and they sound like they're going to go and rob a house. Some people sound like that. The top reps become the top reps because they train. And they understand, where do I need to train? If you're a fat person and you're trying to lose weight in the gym, you go and work out, you still eat McDonald's 7 times a day, that's fine. But how hard did you work out throughout your workout? Did you make sure then track that your intensity in between each set and each rep? Okay, in this set of this rep of this set, I know that I gave it like 60%. That means that I'm going to get 60% of results. Not even 60%. I'm going to get like 0 results, because if you do like poor work, you're going to get poor results. You're going to get no results, not even poor results. And that's one of the same things here. If you're not keeping track of, okay, how hard did I try today? How hard did I actually push through and continue to loop people? That's what's really going to set you apart from a mediocre rep to a top performing rep. I was lucky that I had access to a lot of the top reps in the industry, guys that have sold over $1 million in revenue in pest control themselves, which is 1,000 sales in a summer, 4 months. And I was able to pick their brains and actually get a lot of knowledge from these guys. And some of these guys are still my best friend to this day. Now, if you're going to do this yourself, you're going to need to know this is going to take time. It's not going to be perfect. And practice doesn't make perfect. But perfect practice makes perfect. Cool, it's going to work. You're not going to get it as quick. It's going to take you a little bit more time and more research, and you're going to have to be experimenting a lot. But at the end of the day, you're going to get results as long as you stick with it. The main reason that people end up stopping doing door-to-door, they stop, they don't really make money from it, is because they quit too early. If you go out, you go knock, you don't get sales, you're going to feel this rut. You don't get the dopamine yet. Now, if we're able to get you $1,000 a day within a week or 2 weeks, then you're like, damn, this is real. This is possible. The results are going to come. And if you're just like an anonymous lurker, cool, dude, keep lurking. Like, keep doing your thing. Keep going out and knocking. Put the work in. Courses, I hate. I hate video courses because I buy them once, never watch them again. With a program, it's like, okay, I'm doing one-on-one calls with you. I'm holding you accountable. Like, you don't answer, I'm calling your ass 3 times. And I'm getting on the phone with you. And I'm going to make sure that I'm pushing you because we sat there and we went through, okay, what are your goals? And I know how to push you and motivate you. Okay. So with that being said, I don't really have much else to say, but keep track of your KPIs, pay attention to those, listen to your voice memos. If you guys want to do one-on-one calls with me directly and have me break down your pitch and listen to it, book a call down below. Or if you want to build a sales team.